the axles up front.
Soon, another officer arrives to help. And about a minute after that, bad news comes over the radio.
Radio, we've got impact advice.
By the time this happens,
oh my God.
Holy shit.
Oh my God.
What the fuck? Oh my fucking God.
Oh my God. Damn it! Oh shit! Oh my God.
Train, but it's not enough. An almighty crash in Texas as it slams into the stationary truck at a crossing in Midland County. Large metal pipes are sent flying into the air like...
Taken into custody and booked for DUI, fleeing, and reckless endangerment.
A tractor trailer with cars on it. That's now that the train thing is closing, and he's stuck on the track. West Pine Street and South Dixie Highway. Oh, it's bad. It's gonna hit it. He's gonna hit it. He's gonna hit it. He's gonna hit it. Oh my God.